Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Princess. In this video, I will share with you guys how to create a simple YouTube thumbnail using CapCut on your mobile phone. So for a really quick overview on CapCut, CapCut is a free video editing app that lets users quickly turn their smart videos into pro quality content, and you can set up a free account or you can get the pro version. For this video, we are going to be making use of the free features. Also, speaking about thumbnail, as a beginner, you don't really need to do too much with your thumbnail. What you just need is for you to have a nice picture, and then you should have a very perfect and catchy statement that would attract and make people to want to watch the video. So the first thing we have to do is to go to our browser, search for background. When it comes up, search for the background that you like, choose the background that suits the picture that you took. Then go to the CapCut app and then click on new project, then import the picture of the background that you saved to your phone. After that, stretch the picture to fit, stretch it some seconds, and then click on overlay and import the picture that you want to use for your thumbnail. So before we start working on the picture that we're going to use, you click on the background and then go to ratio or aspect ratio, and then click on 16.9 because that is the YouTube aspect ratio, right? After you are done with that, you then click on your picture. If it is not the same ratio as the YouTube ratio, click on your picture and then change it also to 16.9. Since my picture is already set, move to edit and then you click on cutout and then remove background. So the moment you click on take off background, your background will be out. Then adjust your picture to fit. After that, click on the background, the picture that you used as your background, and click on adjust. Click on adjust. So with this adjust, you'll be able to change the color of your background, change it. Look at everything. I clicked on contrast, saturation, and the rest of them. So you click on it. This is why I said that you should also use a background that would fit, like get a background that will fit the background of the picture that you took, because when you do the cutout, your picture will still look nice. And then I would always advise that you take your picture like where the background will be white. I would always advise a white background, so that when you are doing this edit, you can now change the picture to the background that you're using to any color of your choice. It really works that way. And you can also do some editings that you want. You can add different colors, designs that would look nice, right? So it works well that way. And then the main thing that changes the color is the temperature and the hue. So those are the two features that mainly does the work, right? So for this, now you are clicking on the background that you saved from your browser, not the picture. Right now I'm clicking on the picture. I'm trying to make it look better, right? So after you're done adjusting your picture to fit, you can adjust it to you can adjust it anyhow you want it. If you want it to the left, if you want it to the right, if you want two pictures, resize them and make them good. After you're done with all that, you move over to text. And you start, when you go to text, click on add text and then start putting the text that you want, right? So your text needs to be something really catchy. Let it actually be what you want it to. Like if you are talking about how to cook oha soup, you can see best way to cook oha soup, how to edit, how to color grade. Let your thumbnail say it. Don't put a different thing on your thumbnail. So when you're done like writing your text, you can edit it to anyhow you want. Click on the font to change the font, the size, anything. Go to style to also do your thing, right? To do your thing. So do your editing. You go on effect to change whatever thing you want to change. from color to any effects, anything that you want to reduce the opacity, the size, anything you basically want to do, you can achieve it here. Anything you want to do to your text, you can achieve it here, right? So, and like I said, your text, it needs to be simple, but then go straight to the point. So after you're done with your text, the whole editing and all that, you can now adjust each of the texts. If you don't, anywhere you want them to be, to the left, to the right, wherever, however you want it to look, you can shift the text to that position, and then that would be all. So since you are done, you can now export your video, right, to your camera roll. So that would be all for today. I hope this video was helpful, and I appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all. Bye.